Hello, good morning everyone. Today's topic is how cardiac activity is regulated. Heart of human is said to be myogenic in nature. That means if you take out the myogenic heart from the body, still it will be retaining the capacity of beating. How is it possible? Because heart will be having a modified muscle which will be in the form of nodes, like we say it as SAN node. Those nodes will be auto regulating the cardiac muscle activity. So heart is myogenic. uh, Path of there is a modified muscle in the heart which is called nodal tissue, and it will regulate the normal activity of the heart. Um, it should be part, okay, correct it, part of modified muscle. So that is one aspect. Heart is myogenic in nature. Now, to understand how the regulation of cardiac activity is done, regulation means when the heartbeat increases, how the heartbeat decreases. That is called regulation. There are two ways of regulation. One is through neural system. Second one is cardiac activity is regulated through hormonal regulation. Let's learn how neural regulation occurs. Brain has got a lowermost part called medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata has got autonomic nervous system. Its parts include sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nerve system, what it will do? Say a person who is an athlete, he is running, his heartbeat should be increased more. Why the heartbeat should increase? So that he gets more blood supply throughout the body, which provides him more oxygen and more energy. To increase the heartbeat, sympathetic nerve system, it gets the stimulus that person wants his heart to beat faster. So sympathetic nerve system will be secreting a neurotransmitter called noradrenaline. Noradrenaline is neurotransmitter as well as hormone, neat question can be asked, as well as norepinephrine, which is the other name of noradrenaline. You can consider any one name. These neurotransmitter will stimulate the heart to beat faster. So what is its action? It will be increasing the rate of heartbeat. It will increase the strength of ventricular contraction so that cardiac output will be more. So overall, you can conclude sympathetic nervous system increases the heartbeat. Once all those vigorous activities are over in a person, now the heartbeat should come to the normal level. Who will bring that heartbeat to the normal level? It is the parasympathetic nervous system. Its fibers run through 10th cranial nerve called vagus nerve. It is connected to the heart. It will secrete a neurotransmitter called acetylcholine. Acetylcholine, its activity is it will decrease the heartbeat by decreasing the cardiac. As a result, it will decrease the cardiac output. How it will decrease the activity? Whatever action potentials which were going on, which were sent, that is slowered. As a result, heartbeat goes down, cardiac output decreases. So this is how regulation of heartbeat is done, as well as cardiac output is done. Now let's understand how hormonal regulation occurs and when it occurs. I said nervous regulation occurs when the person wants his heart to beat faster, whereas hormonal regulation occurs in emergency conditions. Say suddenly you have come across a snake while walking. So in such emergency conditions, sudden increase in heartbeat will should be there. That will give you an extra energy. So hormonal regulation is brought about by a gland present over the kidney known as adrenal gland. These are called adrenal gland. It has got two parts: outermost cortex, inner medulla. Adrenal medulla will secrete adrenaline hormone, which is also called epinephrine. These hormones will be through blood vessels, through blood, it is taken to the heart, and these hormones will bring about increase in heartbeat, sudden rise in heartbeat. As a result, cardiac output increases, so that if you have come across a snake suddenly, what are the changes observed? You may shiver or your face turns red. That is because of more flow of blood into the more flow of blood into the brain. Why the more blood flow occurs, cardiac output will be more. Why the cardiac output will be more? Because adrenal gland has sent adrenaline to the heart, which has pumped more blood to your body. So this is how hormonal regulation occurs. I hope you have understood regulation of cardiac activity. If you have liked it, please click the like button. Thank you for watching.